So today I'm doing a kind of barn vlog. I'm going out to get the horses right now, and of course they want to be the world's most lovely ponies, and they're coming right to me by staying at as far away from me as they can. But yeah, I'm just going to do a pretty simple ride. Pretty simple stuff. I'm about to go on vacation, so this will be my last ride for almost 2 weeks. So I'm gonna give them a nice workout so they don't gain too much weight while I'm gone. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, a bit of a struggle, but I got them. Now we must walk all the way back up the field. Pony number 3 is waiting for me. Hello, sweet Ziggy boy. Hello, sweetie pie. You wouldn't expect it, but he's definitely the easiest to catch. Now the horses are all tacked up, and when I'm done riding Josie, I'll switch over the tack to Dutchie. She has beautiful bell boots on, and I'll give Ziggy some exercise too. So sorry guys, I didn't get the chance to film my ride, but I'm done riding and the horses are all very exhausted. Now I want you guys to meet the kittens we have. This is Tachanka, he's super adorable, and his brother is Tuxedo. We are now all done with the horses and we're letting them eat for a little bit. And yeah, I'm basically done for the day. All I have left is to pack up. Horses are away.